Hello, everybody. My name is Agastya,
And my name is Tejas.
and welcome back to our Python tutorials. So today we're going to be learning about for and while loops. Let's begin. So yeah, for and while loops. Let's begin. Before we, before we begin, we should do a recap of what we did last time. Last time, we worked on, if, else, and elif statements. We learned how to check if certain conditions are met. We also learned practical ways to do things like change the purpose of a code or to stop some part of a code from working. We then wrote a code that calculates a dog's age that used all the previously learned topics.
Hmm.
Now, let's move on to today's topic. Today, we're going to be learning about for loops. A for loop is a sequence of operations that is performed over and over in a specific order. These are very important in writing clean code, which follows the DRY mantra, which is to not repeat yourself. Loops can um, eliminate repetition. For example, I want to write my name 5 times. I could just write a loop, or I could just write a loop that is 2 lines long, or I would be forced to write a, or I would have to force write print print Agastya Gupta 10 times. So just a 2 line code is obviously better.
Hmm.
So here are some examples. So this is a general structure of a for loop. For variable in equation variable or number that eventually ends and then a colon and then your code. This uses indentation like we previously learned.
Hmm.
Here are some examples of a for loop. A, what this does, this counts till 4. Here's something to remember. Python doesn't count 1, 2, 3, 4. It counts 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you make it count till 5, if you make it count 5 times, it'll go till 4. Okay. So always remember that.
Okay.
So let's look at the structure of a for variable. So this is the iteration number. It's something that you don't have to declare before. You can just put anything here. It's a variable. It will show the amount of times a for loop has been called. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
And this is the range statement. In the range statement, you can put anything. You put any integer. Okay, you could put a variable that's an integer, and then Python will do it that many times. For example, just ignore all of this. I have a variable that says, let's say, variable variable 5, and then I make a for loop for I in variable. Wait, okay.
Hmm.
I just made a mistake. That don't always remember to put the colon there.
Okay.
Okay. See, this can be a variable. It can also be an equation. Oof, kernel is confused. Give me a second.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, I think I found a mistake. Wait. See, it's giving me nothing because it's 5, because it's 6 minus 5, which is 1. So it's, and since it's on doing, see, you can put an equation, or you can just put a straight up number. It's going to be very heavy. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, it's repeated
Okay.
45 times.
Okay.
Wait, let load. Yeah. So now, okay, so the iteration number is a variable that is always in a for statement. It doesn't need to be declared at the start and can be named anything. It will not, if you do not if you do not change it out externally, it will always start at 0. Like I said, I just said all of these things. Okay. Here are some examples of for loops. Can you tell me what's happening over here? Just
Okay.
disregard these. Just disregard this. Just what is this saying?
Okay. So name is let's learn for loops for indexing.
The len command gives you the length, like the length. This is like one, two. This is this thing. This is a 20 long, 20 word long string. So it's gonna put 20.
Okay, so it's going to print 20 then.
No,
Or
so
it's going to print this 20 times.
it's going to repeat this 20 times and print name index, so that's name with index inside it.
Okay.
It's going to print this many times. What does
Okay.
this do?
Hmm. Breaking from a loop string to the or char in
That's
like
just a variable. Don't char is
um, char is equal to r break.
okay, yeah. So here's an interesting thing. So wait, here's an interesting thing. So why is char should be a number here, right?
Yeah.
So since this is a string, right?
Hmm.
Wait, give me a second. Since this is a string, right?
Yeah.
Um, it's not since it's a string. It's not going 1 2 3 4. It's going
Oh, basically it's
LETSLEARNLOOP.
going to spell everything out.
Yeah, it's gonna edit itself to be the next letter every time. Okay.
Okay.
So what this is doing is, remember we made a code that
Hmm.
we made a code that finds a letter and cuts it out, right? Finds a letter in a um, finds a single word in a bunch of words and then takes that word out, right? This is
I'll
a smaller, more advanced version of that. What the break thing is doing is it's stopping for this for statement from happening. Okay,
yeah.
break stops the for statement. Now
Okay.
what is this?
This code will reverse each letter in string. Let's see. It's going to basically do the same thing but in reverse. I'm guessing from the name of it.
Yes, yes. Look, so I put let's learn loops. It give me explanation mark SPOOL, right? So it's
Yeah.
reversing it.
Yeah.
What will this do? Just
Um,
don't see this.
yeah. Uh, n is equal to 0 for row in string.
Yeah, so okay, over here, right? I've put 1 2 row, right? One
Yeah.
dash row. So it's going from one to whatever variable row is.
Okay, so basically, if say it's going to be counting down, but in a pyramid fashion, like one, then one,
Yes,
two.
yes.
Basically, what's happening on the edge here, I think.
Yeah. Wait. Give me a second. Continue. What is this? What does this do?
Okay. This can my string Python. It's going to do what we just saw, but it's going to do it once, and then it's going to reverse the process right back.
Yeah, I could have made it much easier by just putting this inside another um for loop instead of copy pasting it twice.
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing we saw before. It's just doubled a bit.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's do an activity.
Okay.
So you're gonna write a Python program to display all of the prime numbers within the range. A prime number is a whole number that cannot be multiplied by other numbers. For example, 6 is not a prime number, but it can be made by 2 to 6 equals to 6. So
Hmm.
you will be given a variable called start, which is 25, and a variable called end, that is 50. Okay,
Hmm.
and the expected output should be 20, and the output should be 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. Okay, so people at home, you can also do this. People at home, you also do this. So Tejas, can you please,
Yeah.
Tejas?
Can you enable participant screen sharing?
Yes, I'm just going to do that. Allow participants to share screen. Done.
Okay. And now let's just go ahead and untitled folder.
So this is going to be
New.
using this is going to be using all of it's going to be using some math skills. So it's going to be using
Hmm.
some your logic skills. It's going to be using all we have learned, but don't worry. Yeah, this is very early for you, so
Hmm.
I wouldn't be surprised if you won't be able to do it.
Okay. So let's see. The objective is to put out prime numbers between 25 and 50. So first we need to locate all the prime numbers and then
Print them.
pull them out.
So first you have to put the range, right. Start
Hmm.
equals to 25 and end equals to 50.
Okay, so let's put start the variables in there first. Oh, not this. Start equals 25 and end, right?
End
And
equals to 50.
50. Okay, now we're going to have to. Okay, I'm a little bit confused on how I'm going to do this here.
Okay, should I help you?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to use a so what is a so what is one way you could remove numbers. Think about it like this. Wait, how should I annotate?
Uh.
I can't annotate for some reason. Wait, I'm
Oh.
pausing this. Okay, sorry. Okay, so it seems I can't annotate, so I'm just gonna request remote control and help you like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so wait, I'll just open a whiteboard app for you. Wait,
Okay.
no, whatever. Okay, now think about how you can do this. So you get the range. What will you do when you have gotten the range? Sorry.
Okay.
So you have gotten the range. Now what will you do after that? So what is a prime number? How will you cut down on a prime number?
We're going to have to remove all the ones that can be divided.
Yes. So first how will you divide? So first thing, what is never a prime number? Anything divisible by two. So first you remove anything divisible by 2, right?
Yeah.
No, okay. Another first, no, that's the second thing you do. All
Hmm.
prime numbers are bigger than 1. So
Hmm.
remove all numbers greater than 1. Right?
All numbers greater than one, won't that like get rid of our whole list? Because like
I
we're
mean, sorry,
doing 20.
lower than 1. Lower than 1.
Okay.
Lower than 1. Now, see, you have to think analytic. You have to think like a programmer for this. Okay.
Okay. Then we're going to have to remove anything that can be divided uh, at all. So can can we like get something like a loop that will just divide everything till you can't divide it anymore?
No, you'll have to import something then.
Hmm. 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 So, uh, how are we going to remove anything that isn't a prime number?
Okay. So first you can make a. So first you make a. You have removed. Okay. Wait.
We can use a if statement.
Okay. Wait. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we have
Hmm.
25. Yeah. So you. Okay. So we have 25 to 50.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So let's see. Our expected thing are 29, 31, and thing. So what are some characteristics of a prime number?
It cannot be divided by anything but itself and one.
Yes. So
Okay, so basically we're basically going to have to put a if set up an if statement if
so first you have to
divisible
make
by
a for
anything
statement.
between.
For statement to look for to start the process.
Hmm.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Listen to me how I did it. So first I think I made a for statement to start it.
Yeah.
So so for statement it would loop it would have a range statement.
Yeah, so the range is going to be from 25 to 50.
25 to 50 plus 1
Yeah,
because it
25 to
goes from
50.
0. So it goes from 0, right? It counts like that.
Yeah.
So you have to add plus 1
Hmm.
to start it.
Hmm.
Then you'll have a if statement to make then you add an if statement to make sure it's bigger than 1.
Yeah. If
Just, just sorry about my handwriting. It's just that
hard to write with a mouse.
it's hard to write with a mouse, and I'm lagging really bad from this. Then we'll check for factors. Now, how do you check for a factor?
Uh, you just see if it's divisible, but like how do you check in programming for a factor?
For I in range brackets 2 to your 2 to the number of iterations. Okay. So okay, how do I explain how I've done it? Okay, wait.
Hmm. Okay.
So first I did a for statement that had a single number.
Yeah.
Okay.
In
Okay.
range, the range isn't spelled right.
Oh, sorry.
Hmm.
In
In,
start to end, and then you have to add one.
hmm.
Then you do a if statement to check if it's bigger than 1.
If and number bigger than one, or what do we
Would be
do?
number is bigger than 1.
No, if number smaller than one, then we remove.
Yes. Then you say
Hmm.
for you do this, then you do for I in
Hmm.
this removes any factors.
Hmm.
Okay. Wait.
Okay. So for I in range 2 and number, if number percentage.
Okay. I remember I told you about the different kinds of operations. Okay. So
Yeah,
plus adds the two things. Minus subtracts it. Wait. Minus subtracts two things.
yeah.
Then this thing multiplies. Okay.
Yes, and the slash divides.
Slash divides, and then percentage it divises and then gives you the remainder. Okay.
Okay. So if
Now
number has a remainder of 1,
no, if a number has a remainder, if 1 divided by a number equals to 0,
hmm,
it's not a prime number. Wait.
hmm, a prime number.
Break. This stops the cycle. This stops the for. This stops. This will stop this for loop and then continues these two for loops. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so first we're going to have to remove these extra signs we have here because it might crash the kernel.
Yes. No, we're not done yet.
Yeah, I'm like just because like it was bothering me a bit. Else,
Okay. Now this code should work. Okay. Now I want you to correct it. Help. I want you to help correct it for
yeah,
me.
I think
There's
the
something wrong in.
else is one row extra back. Like I'm like just no like just add 2 rows. Yeah, I think that was. Okay, now it's good. If now print a number. So why isn't it working?
I wanted to see. I made a mistake intentionally.
Okay, is is like that not a prime number, not supposed to be there?
Hmm?
Does like that affect? Does the not a prime number sentence affect the program at all?
No, it's a bracket and means that the program ignores it.
Okay, so then this should be working. Hmm. It says the problem is here at the print command, like
No, it's not.
precise.
Okay. Wait, I know the mistake I made.
Hmm.
Print num. Wait. Oh, this is such a big mistake. My God.
Oh, oh, and I just got confused by this.
Both of us got completely confused.
Yeah,
Oh, kernel's confused. When this happens, you just have to restart the kernel.
Hmm.
What? Okay, this ref. Wait. Okay, so what's the mistake? We are not printing anything. Look.
Yeah. So mm, we're not printing anything because number isn't a variable.
Huh?
Because number isn't a variable here.
Okay, let's look at what's happening. So it's saying from range start to end. So it's going 25.
Hmm.
Okay. Now 25. So this is it's going through this. So it's because it's bigger than one,
Hmm.
it's going through. Okay. Then we check
Yeah,
if
but we just added a plus one right there in the original statement.
yeah,
Is
that's
that what's
important.
affected?
No, no, that's important.
Okay. So,
For I in range to slash num. So then it's so then this loop is beginning again. Okay. In which
hmm.
then this loop then another loop is beginning from 2 to 25. Okay.
Hmm.
if if it's divisible by
But
1,
it,
it's
it's not
0.
supposed. It's not supposed to begin from 2 to 25. It's supposed to begin from 25 to 50.
Wait. Okay. No, this thing is checking for fact. This thing is checking for factorials.
Okay.
So 225. Okay. If um if it's divisible by if it divisible if it being divisible by 1 equals to 0, then it breaks. Okay.
Yeah. So we do not have to start at 0. We're going to have to start at 1. No, I'm like, because it starts from 0 here. uh, Okay, now I'm totally confused.
I'm also confused. What's happening? Working on my computer.
Uh, okay, I just stop screen sharing and you can show it on your computer. Maybe
Wait,
like
let me
there's
just
a
check.
tiny.
Let me just make a check. Okay, it's giving us 50. So somewhere on the along the line is turned into 50.
And what was it supposed to be again?
It's supposed to be 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47.
Okay,
Both of us are confused. Yeah.
okay. I'm just going to stop screen sharing so that you can share. Or can't we both share at the same time? Try
I
clicking on,
think so.
yeah, so
Use
that like we can see side by side what's going on.
okay. You wait, can we do that?
Yeah,
Let me
yeah,
see.
because like
Okay, both of us can do it. So that's cool. I can't see yours.
okay.
You have to stop sharing, I guess. Okay, can you see mine? It's working. See?
Yeah,
Rounding, it's working.
yeah.
So wait, how so wait, compare these two, see any mistake, any differences?
Okay. For num in range start, there's a space missing. I'm just going to add that in case. And
No, no,
oh,
no.
there's
Those
a
space
lot.
that space is because my this Python thing is very long. It's it's a glitch with the notebook
Hmm?
where it makes your it adds I just add space bars. It doesn't do anything. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay. So if number Because one, for I in range to hashtag that doesn't matter if number. Oh, the one is supposed to be an I here.
Oh, my God, I wrote it.
I just changed it. I just changed it back. Let's see if this runs now.
Okay, no, share your screen and then run. I wrote this code a few, 2, 3 of 5, 4, 5 days ago, so I forgot about it.
Hmm. Okay.
Share your screen. Share your screen.
I already clicked run accidentally.
Okay, share your screen. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Now it's giving us 25, 25, 25, 27, 29. We still have got to remove the ones that are not there. 29, 31, 31, 31, 37, 37. I'm like, it's giving it, but it's repeating it too many times.
It's
It's
giving
giving
slight. It's giving it slightly. Wait, switch. Show the full thing. Wait, I think it's an infinite loop. Wait,
one
wait.
minute.
Now run it. Now run it.
Okay, run. Still the same result.
Wait, I think it's an infinite loop. It's just going to keep going on. What mistake have we made this time?
I'm like, it ends here at the right place.
Almost the right place. Go through
Yeah.
it. Okay, let's see. Is 47 there?
Yes.
Okay, 47 is there. Go up.
47. There's
There's
45.
43. Okay, that's correct. Now
But
next there should be a 41.
yeah, there's
There's a
41.
41.
Yeah. And then there's 39, 37.
There's 37. Okay. So there's something wrong. It's giving us 39, then 31, and then 29. A full lot of 29. And then 25. Okay. So it's working, though there's some places where it's just giving us repeating it. Now, where do you think that is?
Okay. Just for the sake of it, I'm just going to move this. Okay. I'm just going to move it here.
Run.
Okay. No,
Because
it's
I had put that stuff there.
yeah.
It's not some.
For I in range 2 to number. Okay, I think this time I'm going to continue sharing, and you go ahead and open your code again so that the
Now
people will
main
actually be able
range
to see the
start
difference.
end +1. Okay, that's correct. If num, but I'll read my stuff so make sure that it's all correct.
Yeah, just run yours to show that it works.
Yeah, mine's definitely working. There's something wrong with your code. It might be because of laptop version differences. That
Yeah,
might be.
yeah, that might be the reason.
If num is bigger than 1, okay, that's correct. For I in range 2 to num.
Yeah, then if this is this, then I should be equal to 0, it will break, and else. Oh, is it the problem with else here? Like
Maybe move it back a little bit. Move
what
us
print?
back.
Okay, else.
Okay, now try. No, 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 no. Move it back. Move it forward.
What was the button to move it forward
Tab,
again?
tab.
Tab.
Okay, now
Okay,
for print as well. Do it for print as well.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, now run.
Run.
Okay, it
Yes.
worked.
Yeah, it was just like a little
Yeah,
bit of
because
version difference.
no, yeah.
Hmm. So like now this is working. Let's continue with the presentation then.
I think we have gone over our time limit. I'll can do while stuff
Hmm.
in some time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like
So
Should I like end the meeting?
No, I'll stop the recording and then you end the meeting. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
No, wait, you have to make it. We have to. So, yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye.
And bye to the viewers as well. I think we forgot about them. Bye.
Who do you think I was saying bye to? And
Me?
you haven't stopped recording.
Okay, I'm stopping recording.